morning. It's Saturday. Today we are trying to finish up with Albert's Supra. Anyway, so tonight we're gonna slap it on the hub dyno, see if we can make 1,000 would be nice.
Yeah, he's gonna clean it up.
But I did want to give you an inside shot of the nice tan interior and of course the cockpit. We'd be looking for this time around now with the new springs.
More power.
More power.
Yeah.
What do you think? Pretty good.
Keep it at that on pump. I turned it down a smidge below 20 pounds. And she made some beans. So that's good. Time for some ethanol.
680, time for corn. Where is it? Over here? Oh. Yeah.
That's right. Oh my God.
Being a creep right now. pounds were we last time?
We couldn't make it over 20.
Okay. Do you think now we can though, right?
Yeah, I just did.
You did?
Yeah. 30.
Oh, you did 30. Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, boost cut. That was 30 pounds. What are you targeting?
As far as what?
As far as your boost.
I was on my target of 22.
22? Okay.
Yeah.
And that was what, 820 something?
827.
827, okay. What about now?
I'll see what 25.
25? You saw them all?
Yeah.
What'd you do there?
Just threw some boost at it, about 30-ish pounds.
How did the rest look? Took it okay, like a champ?
Yeah, boost is starting to fall off a little bit, so we're definitely running out of turbo, which is to be expected. I mean, that's about where this turbo usually coughs up at. But
yeah, nice job, babe.
yeah, then I hit the rev limiter at the end.
Huh?
Then I hit the limiter at the end by accident. Limiter at the end by accident. He's gonna clean it up. Clean it up.
Oh, that's great. Congrats. Yo, Duffy's in here like, oh, he's just gonna clean it up.
I didn't think he was gonna do all that.
I didn't think that turbo was gonna do that.
Keep been waiting to touch the thousand mark.
I looked over it. I'm like, fuck, my car's gonna come down.
First one on the hub dyno. Hell yeah.
Make it dirty.
So I'm pretty sure that you have everything, but if we find any of your parts or anything, we'll let you know.
Okay. No problem.
Anytime, man. Cleaning. Yeah. Get all the sausages. Sausage. What is sausage fest? Get all the dudes.